T-shirt chick.
Alright, I'm gonna have to go ahead and fire up one of these mini presses, y'all. I'm gonna have to go ahead and fire it up. Hopefully whoever get this one don't mind that I used it. I'm gonna try to make it not so obvious. Alright, girl, I see you up in that box. Look at that. That's what she's looking like right there. Uh-oh, she got her little bag too. Look at that. She got her little bag. What else is up in here? She got her little bag. She got her little spray bottle. I don't know what the spray bottle is for. I don't know. She got her some little stickers. No, these are some little transfers, actually. These are some little transfers, but that's what's in the package. So we just gonna stick that back in there. I don't know what the spray bottle for. I am confused now. I am very confused about what this spray bottle is in here for. If y'all know what the spray bottle in there for, let me know. Because I probably won't read the directions. So I'm gonna go ahead and if I can get this thing out of here, if I can get it out of here, I am going to use it to finish doing the job. And y'all, this is a little bit of work. Maybe because there's so many of them. Maybe because there's so many of them, but 20 is really not a lot. I mean, if I had to do 20 shirts, if I had to do 20 vinyl shirts, I guess that would be a lot. Okay, press a little power button. All right, girl. Okay, is it coming on? It's beeping. It ain't no light coming on. Okay. It's on. I need it on low. Okay, we just need it on low. That's all we need it on. All right, it's on now. It took me a little minute to get that thing going, but it's heating up to the low setting. We're going to let it heat up and we're going to come back and finish this thing.